Are we sure it's 0?
You did that?
Yes.
Is someone still stalling him?
They're stalling.
All right. I don't know where the tripod is, so just come on.
Get down. Get out.
Yeah, it's on.
Brandon, what are you doing? What are you doing, Matt?
It's on the door.
Go hide. Does Matt even know what we're doing?
Cursive first name, then
Is there music playing?
I did cursive first name, current.
Is there music playing somewhere?
I don't know. Oh, here's the book. Here's the book I got. Let me stick it. Go get that. No, the book's a little right of it. Go get that at the shop.
Andy, hide quickly! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Sit down. He'll sign it later. I couldn't find the tripod. So now I'm a human tripod. I feel like my hand is shaking.
Can someone tell Farrah to stop stalling?
We got it, we got it. Ow, this kind of hurts my arm. Who is it? Oh yeah, we bribed him with a cookie. You're what?
He's coming.
Anybody? Do we know the plan? We got the plan.
You guys doing nothing.
It's a happy birthday!
I didn't know how old you were, so I guess it was somewhere between the stars or nothing.
I like this.
Don't look at the front.
Don't look at the front. All right.
Hey!
Video
The
camera.
front is very bad because I suck at coloring. It's
Oh, it's like Superman. I like it.
It wasn't a bad thing to do it for.
You probably should turn the lights on.
Hey, look at the
Hayden, go turn the lights on.
Or lose it.
I didn't know how old you were, so I
plan
just
your
put on
surprise
the board
birthday
0
party.
to 1,000.
I'm closer to 0 than 1,000. How about that? I'm closer to 0 than 1,000.
Okay.
It worked. It did work. What? Oh, that's what that was.
What?
I'm sorry, Carl.
Just a minute.
I was like, why is there music playing?
Have a seat.